When I first joined BDes in fashion designing at NSFTID, I thought I'd just learn basics. But the first time I turned a rough sketch into an actual garment, it was a real showstopper moment. It's wild how your ideas go from mood board to mannequin.
NSFTID throws you straight into the studio vibe. The materials, methods, software, you're hands-on from day one. No more warm-up labs, just full-on energy.
What I love is how every brief pushes you past Pinterest trends. Mentors guide you, they let you experiment your own aesthetic. That's how you build confidence.
And our project reviews, it's like Miranda Priestley reviewing your work. You walk in nervous with your concept board, but then you walk out knowing exactly how to level up your next drop.
And that moment when your piece finally goes up, a garment on the display or a model on a ramp, it feels like your own mini fashion week. A win you earned stitch by stitch.
What I love about NSFTID is nothing stays theoretical. Everything you learn instantly shows up in your project. You literally get to see your craft getting sharper with every single submission.
And the mentors here, they don't just correct your works, they actually guide you throughout the entire process. And that makes such a big difference when you're trying to find your signature style.
The NSFTID ecosystem is inspiring as well, where everyone is creating something, experimenting and motivating each other. It makes you want to push further.
At NSFTID, every project gives your career a glow up. You walk in dreaming of a world-class future and you walk out with a gold standard portfolio.
Take your sketchbook dreams all the way to haute couture at Nitte School of Fashion Technology and Interior Design.